So funny. What? He's so fussy today. It's Saturday. We went to the grocery store. Kenan wants the camera. I was going to show you what we saved this time so you could see more of a normal savings. We spent $143 and we saved $213. So that was more normal. Kylie's dancing away. Oh, here, you want the camera? Hello. We haven't done this in a while, but we're off to play capture the flag with Nerf guns. Kind of fun. I have Cayman. Let's see how. Cayman. He's sleeping. What are you doing? Let's see how far this monitor will go. Uh-oh, it's beeping. Why is it beeping?
Why are you asking me? How am I supposed to know?
I think I'm too far. I'm gonna go set it up on Jake's car. Anyways, we're just going right across the way to the grass right there. I'm not abandoning my baby. Do I look weird just talking?
It's funny, you have both things.
Jake, I'm gonna put him right here on your car, okay? I'm putting Cayman on your car. Cayman is on your car. Yeah. It's cold. Okay, so everyone has cool guns, and I have this thing with one bullet, or dart, whatever you call it. So, Jake, do you have... Let's see if Jake has more darts for me. Jake, do you have more darts for me?
What?
Do you have more darts for me? I only have one.
Possibly. Oh.
Yeah, shoes would be good. Actually, I only have slippers. Okay, Kane and Kylie are team captains. Who do you want on your team? Who do you pick?
Keegan, Uncle Jason.
No, just pick one person. Kane picked Uncle Jason, so that's their team. Who do you want on your team first?
Keegan.
Keegan, okay. Now, Kane, who do you want next? Pick Ashton.
Just pick someone, dude.
Daddy?
You want Daddy? Okay. Kylie, who do you want? Ashton? Kane, who do you want? Mommy or Uncle Jake?
Pick someone, dude. We want to play.
Oh, I got picked last. No, it's okay. I'll be with them. Oh. We're guarding. Wait, don't shoot yet, Kylie.
Oh.
Baby, don't shoot yet. Don't get Keegan. Wait, Keegan. You got me. Wait, where's our jail?
Kylie, come save us.
We have to go over here. Kylie, come tag me, honey. Jason already got it. Jason already got it.
I tagged.
Okay, that was crazy. He's still shooting. You guys already won. Okay, pick up your bullets. You won, baby. Your team won. Okay, that was fun. We played 3 games. I won 1, lost 2.
Yeah. Oh, lightheaded. See, look, now I'm fully. Please. See.
Cool.
It's not cool.
Oh,
Just extra
that's the glow in the dark one, right?
Yeah, but it shoots the whistlers, so.
Are those Jake's?
Yeah, but he has a ton of extras, so I'm just gonna keep him in the gun so we're
That
release.
one?
Your other extra start.
Which one is that one?
It looks like a beetle or something. Let's
Yes.
show off that. Jake's got all
Max.
kinds of weird Nerf
Max
guns.
Force. Yeah,
And this is like what, the Scorpion or something?
Scorpion.
And there's the sharpshooter. Oh, I just got shot twice. Kylie! Kylie! Did you have fun?
Mhm.
Did you win?
I win once.
I think you won twice, baby. You won the first game and the last game. You won twice. I only won once. Yeah.
Twice.
Next weekend, we play again.
Look on
You
the
have
ground. Look on the ground.
a light on you.
You meant the target.
Target. Kane, did you have fun with your gun?
Yes, William!
Really fun.